Hey, what's up my loves? Welcome to today's video where I show you the power of a clarifying shampoo. This is gonna be a natural hair care wash routine using this potent DIY clarifying shampoo that's going to grow your hair longer, healthier, thicker, and of course voluminous. So for the ingredients, we'll be using the rice, cloves, and cactus, guys. These three ingredients are the only ingredients that you need to make your potent clarifying shampoo. So to start with the rice is amazing because rice contains vitamin B, vitamin E, has a lot of minerals, has antioxidants, has amino acid, which is excellent for stimulation of hair growth, guys. Now let me show you how to make this DIY clarifying shampoo. We are going to chop this cactus into smaller pieces like the ones you're seeing for easy usage and manipulation of this cactus, okay? There are multiple benefits of using rice on natural hair or just hair care in general. Rice is excellent for detangling hair. It makes the hair smooth. It's going to increase shine to the hair. It's going to make your hair strands strong, and it's going to help you grow long hair since it's going to help stimulating blood circulation on your scalp. So rice overall is amazing and great. Now making this shampoo, we mix everything into a mixing bowl and we add in the rice, the cloves, and the cubes of the cactus. Next to my favorite ingredient is the cactus. Some people call it tuna plant from Jamaica and some people call it scrunchy needles. These people from Barbados. And let me know down in the comments what you call these cactus plants in your place. So the benefits of using this cactus on natural hair is endless because it's going to make your hair super soft. It's going to prevent your hair from falling out. It can help your hair grow out faster because a healthy scalp equals to healthy hair, and cactus is excellent when it comes to conditioning the scalp. So it's also going to protect your hair from effects of the sun because it contains those amino acids that's going to stimulate the production of collagen, that's going to promote faster cell turnover, that's going to keep your hair or your scalp healthy. This cactus has so many potential benefits to the hair. It has high nutrient content that's going to benefit your hair and scalp. It's going to promote soft, strong, healthy hair and scalp, and of course it's going to stimulate quickly hair growth, guys. It's also going to reverse heat damage if you have any of this concern. Now it's time to strain. Shout out to this little boy who's given me a helping hand, and of course my cameraman. Next, If you're getting values, please go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let me know what you call this plant in your area, because I'm excited to hear these names out. And also be sure to use this. Don't just watch my videos, make sure you use it, because I want your hair to grow longer, healthier, thicker, and voluminous.
Makes sense, not the ganga.
Be sure to let me know down in the comments what are your hair challenges, so I can create recipes that are going to tackle the exact problem that you are facing. Be sure to comment down below, and I will definitely respond to each and everyone who's going to comment down below. Now let's move to the benefits of using cloves. Cloves is amazing. It's going to treat dandruff. It's going to prevent premature graying of the hair. It's also good at stopping hairs. It's going to lock in moisture in the hair, in the hair. Oh my god, where my H going to? And of course, it's also going to add shine to your hair. It's going to add shine to your hair, and you're going to love it. There are multiple benefits of using this DIY clarifying shampoo, because it's going to clarify your scalp, as the name says for itself. But also, this is very gentle. It's very gentle. It's not going to leave any irritation. It's going to help you a lot when it comes to clearing and conditioning your scalp. Also, the cloves in this shampoo helps a lot with the smell, because most people don't like to use these natural recipes directly on their hair because of the smell factor. So this clove is adding in wonderful smell, so it's something that you can tolerate, and your scalp is going to love it. Also, it's 100% natural. You don't have to worry, because you know everything that's in your shampoo. It's basically water, rice, cloves, and this cactus, guys. So it's the sleep factor from cactus is going to detangle the hair.
Makes sense, not the ganga.
person who wants to deep cleanse your hair, you can use this recipe as a core wash and go in with your store shampoo. But I'm telling you, this shampoo is going to get all the job done. It's going to manage unmanageable hair. It's going to leave your hair curls popping. Those curls are going to pop because the sleep is going to define your hair. However, you can even wear a shower cap and sit under heat for like 30 minutes. It's also a great deep condition at the same time, so use it however you like. Look at the hair, and I'm going to see you guys. If you want this result, be sure to do something for yourself. See you guys on the video on the screen, and until next time, bye bye.